Today we're headed to the Ghibli Museum, but on the way we stopped by Sato Steakhouse, which is located in Kichijoji. The restaurant is located on the second floor up some very steep steps. I ordered the recommended set menu, which came with some delicious sauces, a salad, some pickles, rice and miso soup. I also got to sit opposite the chefs making everything, so I got to shoot some really cool B-roll of them preparing the food with a new camera. The meal was delicious, the meat just melted in your mouth. The restaurant's speciality are fried beef balls, which are sold down below, where people will wait in very long lines just to order one.
Try the beef ball now. From Sato. Very famous. Good. So good.
Yeah?
So good. So good.
On the way to the Ghibli Museum, we came across a marching band that was doing a performance in the street. We got eaten alive by mosquitoes trying to get some cool slow-mo shots. Opened in 2001, the Ghibli Museum houses some amazing displays of animation, including a giant cat bus and a zoetrope that comes to life before your very eyes. Tickets are quite hard to come by and have to be booked months in advance at your local Japanese travel agency. Also, unfortunately, you can't film inside the museum, but everything on the outside is up for grabs. On the rooftop of the museum is the robot from Castle in the Sky, which watches out and protects the guests from any unwanted foes. Through a forest path that spirits you away to another world is a beautifully recreated keystone that controls Laputa, the castle in the sky. Included in your entry is access to the cinema, which plays some short films never seen anywhere else in the world, produced by Studio Ghibli and many by Miyazaki himself. If you visit the gift store, it's almost impossible to exit and not buy anything. The weather was so good during the visit, and as we headed back it started to rain a little bit, and then began to pour until we had to take refuge in a 7-Eleven. We were stuck in there till the rain subsided. And then we headed to Monk's for some vegetarian food.
Monk's food, definitely a winner.
What did you buy?
A little teacup.
We then headed back to Shinjuku for a second dinner at Shin Udon, our favorite udon place in Tokyo, where we met up with some other co-workers that happened to be in Japan at the same time. After a quick beer, we headed out to do a little street photography around Shinjuku. And had a questionable time at the Scramble Bar. And one last late night snack before we headed to the club. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below on what your favorite Studio Ghibli movie is. See you guys in the next one.